my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo, and this is my take on the 5 must-have luxury items in my collection. This is a tag started by Jerusha Couture, and I was lucky enough, or I don't know, I was tagged by the lovely Drelux TV. So today is going to be my 5 must-have luxury items in my collection. My 5 must-haves. Yeah, stick around and love it if you could watch. So guys, this is tag started by Jerusha Couture. If you're in the luxury community, then you know exactly who she is. She is, okay, just checking, I have both my earrings on. She is the queen bee of the luxury community here, and she started this really cool tag called the 5 must-have items in my collection. So I watched her video, but I watched it a little bit ago, and I've been watching other videos since, including of course the wonderful Drelux TV. Hey Deborah, thanks for tagging me, and I will link her down below. And this is really just going to be my take on my 5 must-have luxury items in my bag. So let's get started. I live in a sunny Arizona, so I am going to start, wait, are they in here? I am going to start with the absolute must-have. Live in a sunny state like I do, which is of course Arizona, and it is my Prada sunglasses. I love these so much. This is actually the 3rd pair that I've purchased of this exact same style. Different finishes. I have a black one, a tortoiseshell, and one that I lost, of course, because I lose them sometimes. I love this style. I don't necessarily think it's the best suited for my face, but I think this here is so iconic that I just love it. And I've had these for years, and I am absolutely stuck on this style, and so here we go. So that is my #1 luxury must-have in my collection here, and for me, it's a definite must-have is sunglasses. So #2 is of course a bandeau. If you've been on this channel before, you know that I am like a bandeau princess, a bandeau bandit. That's it, exactly. I love buying bandeaus. I actually have my eye on some new ones that I saw posted. My girl Tiffany at Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's, she posted on her IG some new ones coming out, I think Friday. So I have my eye on some of them. But I'm trying to be a good girl because I'm deep in Van Island. So, but I love me a bandeau, and I will link a video below where I show my bandeau collection because I actually have quite a few. I wear them in a variety of ways. I debated putting this one here or around my neckband, my head, as a headband, but I decided to stick with it as a neckband. So that is #2 in my collection of luxury must-haves. So, drum roll please. #3. A zippy compact wallet. I cannot live without a compact wallet. It is just the easiest thing. It's small enough to fit into any size bag, whether it's one of my larger bags or one of my smaller bags. I can throw it inside a pochette accessoire as well, so I absolutely love them. I do have one long wallet. I have I think it's called a yen wallet by Chanel, but which I'm actually using right now. But I do tend, for the most part, to prefer zippy compact wallets, and I have maybe 2 or 3 in this. I have 3 in this particular style. I only own 4 wallets total plus 1 card case, so I love this style so much, and I'm totally I love it. Okay, that was 3, right? Yes. So what about #4? #4 is, I think everybody has this one in their collection, and it's like a tote bag, or in my case a large mouth open bag. And I say large mouth because it's just for, okay, minus stuff right now, but it's just for ease of throwing, one second, just for the ease of, look, my head could fit in there. Literally, my head could fit in there. But for ease of being able to throw my items in and out, I absolutely love a tote. I can carry it over my shoulder. I can throw everything right in there, dig around, find what I need. I'm good to go. And so as much as I love a structured bag, and I actually went back and forth about whether I should put in a structured bag or whether I should put in a tote bag, and the tote won out because I love a structured bag, but I tend to think they're all business. So that would have been, if we were doing 6 luxury must-haves in our collection, number 6 would definitely have been a structured bag. But as a mom, as a working mom, as a wife whose husband likes to dump stuff in the purse, a wide mouth, open tote, shoulder tote like this is perfect. And this is my beloved Michael Kors bag. So, yes, because I do consider myself part of the short tribe, my so I used to work with people who would see me daily, and this was back when I worked in an office, and I would always wear high-heeled shoes. I always wore high-heeled shoes. On the very rare occasion that I would wear flat shoes, they would say to me, "Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how short you were." Because I am short. I mean short. I may not be little people short. I'm hoping that's an appropriate term. I may not be little people short, but I am short, as my daughter likes to remind me constantly. She does. And so, while my knees can still handle it, for me, excuse all that noise, I did an unboxing of this shoe. I will link it down below. I've yet to wear them. That's why they're still packaged so lovely. But I think this is an excellent example of why, of what is number 5 on my list, which is sky-high shoes. I sure hope you can see that. I love a sky-high shoe. I need a sky-high shoe. When I'm wearing these suckers, I feel like I'm average height. Like, I can now make eye contact with other people. So, yeah, it's, like I said, while my knees can take it, I will be wearing my sky-high shoes for as long as I can, and thankfully right now my knees can take it, and maybe I've got 5 more years, but I am rocking my 4-inch heels, 4.5-inch heels. Do though pray for me the first time I do wear these shoes out. So yeah, guys, I have seen this video. Speaking of Drelox TV, because I've linked her video down below, watch it. Her creativity is genius. I love the way she did all of these little scenes for what she considers her 5 luxury must-haves in her collection. Her creativity has just like blown up. It's like, girl, what are you drinking? Because I need some of that. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that. I would love to tag some of the following people, although I do believe some of them might have already done it. I'm not sure. I have seen Will McCason's video, so I won't be tagging him. Hey, Will, I know he's done his already. MJ Lux, I'd love to see yours. And so I'd love to see MJ Lux. I would love to see what your 5 must-have luxury items are in your collection, especially because I think you've recently been paring down what's in your collection, or maybe it was just a Louis Vuitton collection. But I'd love to see what your take is on this, because you seem to have gone on that minimalistic kind of route. Windfire 69, of course, but love to see your take on this one. I was going to tag Lady B, a lady from Boston, but I think you're another one who's done this one. I'd love to tag the Lux Babe. Hey, Lux Babe. She is out of Europe, I believe Germany, and has one of the best collections that is on here. So I would definitely love to see your take on this, the 5 luxury must-haves in your collection. And Purse Junkie. Wait, I had one more. Yeah. And Purse Junkie. Oh, Life Plasty. Have you done this one? I'm so sorry if I've skipped you. I'm gonna look and see if you've done this or not. Anyway, that's who I'm tagging. I'll link them all down below. And guys, this is so exciting. I can't wait to see everybody's videos. And I am so sorry that I was so late getting mine up, but you know, life gets in the way sometimes. and we get busy. But I'm here now. I'm here now. All right. Bye, guys.